So all my flowers are attached to the branch and the branch is in the sand. Now I'm just taking some bunches of leaves that I bought from the dollar store. I'm just sticking them right in that pot with the sand, and I'm just flaring them out to cover the base of the planter. It's also a nice contrast against the white hydrangeas. Although the leaves are not hydrangea leaves, they do make a nice contrast and fill the space. So we have our planters ready and I think they look great. Look at this. So they look great, and I actually put these here a couple of weeks ago, and you can see the forsythia is budding already, and this is just in sand. And because it's Canada Day on July the 1st, we're going to add our Canadian flags to celebrate Canada Day. So I think these look great. If you like this video, I hope you try this, and if you like it, I hope you share it. Until next time, happy flower making.